Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in a resourceful, relaxing breath, and feel a wonderful feeling of calmness start to expand from whichever part of your body you feel most relaxed in. Maybe that's in your chest or your temple. But I want you to feel a wonderful feeling that relaxation is spreading. As you breathe in and breathe out, I want you to get a sense that you are drifting to a place where change happens. Positive, empowering change. I want you to use the power of your imagination to imagine you are in the Himalayas. And I want you to imagine finding a secret monastery, perhaps where monks have been studying certain skills and practices for a long period of time. I want you to imagine placing yourself in that monastery. And I want you to find a quiet room of reflection and contemplation. And I want you to use the power of your imagination to imagine a glowing symbol of infinity. Perhaps you could imagine something that looks like the number 8, but on its side, and make it glow. Perhaps bright light, a glowing fluid, and yet it hovers there in the air. I want you to imagine you could even touch it. Imagine this glowing infinity sign has a sensation, a texture, as you get a growing sense that this represents so much to you. Maybe infinity represents the resources that you can tap into. And maybe infinity represents the impact and legacy that you could have on the world. Just stare into that flowing fluid, liquid or light, that keeps moving in that symbol that can never end. I want you to get a sense that so much of what is in you is infinite. Stare into the 2 circles either side of this infinity sign. And as you stare into them, feel that your mind is drifting inwards. That if the universe is infinite, and that your imagination is infinite, then perhaps it's possible that you have the entire universe inside you. And I want you to feel how it would feel to feel that there is infinity within. As you breathe in and breathe out, feel that you're going inwards to where that infinity originates from. And as you visit that place, your mind awakens to powerful suggestions that enhance the qualities already there and enables you to evolve to become more of who you already are. I want you to feel that you are rediscovering your optimal health, feeling revitalized and ready to make a meaningful difference in the world. I want you to imagine an infinite ladder that you can't see the final top rung. And imagine climbing, and each step you take on your life's ladder moves you closer to complete freedom and self-acceptance. It's climbing the ladder that's the important thing, not reaching the top. Feel that whenever you're reminded of your qualities, your mission, and who you are at your core, that you're able to reconnect with you at your best, falling deeply in love with yourself and embracing your incredible worth. That your belief in your own greatness is so profound, it astonishes even you. Embrace and accept your role as a hero, ready to take necessary actions to make a difference in those that are vulnerable. Tenacity flows through you, driving you to persevere against all odds. I want you to get a sense that whatever fog has been there in the past is lifting, giving you absolute clarity about your life's purpose, that it shines in your mind, guiding your path. As you feel the power of infinity within, acknowledge that an infinite dynamic and enthusiastic energy for life fills you, igniting your passion for living. That the possibilities of your life are also infinite. Every decision, every choice creates a different parallel universe of different possibilities, meaning there are infinite different versions of you of every iteration. But in this iteration, you are creating, crafting an identity and destiny of profound significance. Your mission to change the world positively is monumental, setting the stage for a lasting legacy. Feel that every day you embody the essence of TED, T-E-D, tenacity, empowerment, destiny. Feel that your life has been a wondrous journey, full of joy and discovery. Your commitment to health for you and for others positively radiates, inspiring others around you. And feel that you are the architect of your future, building a life of impact and meaning. Some people have a heavy heart, but your heart is filled with a lightness, self-love, empowering you to achieve greatness. Greatness is subjective, not the validation of others, but perhaps a great impact and legacy on the world. And what if you are a beacon of hope, showing the world what's possible with tenacity, joy and wisdom. What if your actions leave a lasting impact on the hearts of those you touch? That you can thrive on challenges, seeing them as opportunities to grow and excel. That life isn't a game to complete, it's a game to grow and evolve, constantly looking to level up, looking for the next challenge. That next ability to feel that you are pursuing something important, and that is the meaning. Your energy rejuvenates your body and soul, propelling you forward. You are a force for good, tirelessly working to make the world a better place. Your journey to self-discovery and empowerment inspires a legacy of change. Anything that has momentum originally had inertia, and I want you to feel that you are the instigator. You, there in the Himalayas, are making a tiny snowball to roll down a mountain that becomes so big it can go on without any more help or energy from you. Feel that your journey to self-discovery and empowerment is continuing to amplify ongoing wisdom, empowerment, and changing lives in subtle, profound ways. That you can harness the power of your mind to focus on what truly matters. Some people call it clarity, and some people call it concentration. But whatever you prioritize on, feel that you can harness the infinite power of your resources, distilling it with laser beam focus to whatever needs to be done first. Every morning, you awaken with renewed purpose and passion for your mission, because you are unwavering in your pursuit of a life that exceeds your dreams. And make the evaluation that your very existence is a testament to the power of believing in yourself and pursuing one's destiny with courage. I want you to imagine seeing the impact of your work 100 years from now. Imagine from the future, looking back and maybe seeing one child's life positively impacted by your creation. And as you look back from the future, have a deep sense that it was all worthwhile. Feel that you're now back in that monastery staring into the infinity symbol, feeling that so much is infinite. Possibilities are infinite. Potential, creativity, all infinite. And by harnessing infinite resources, you can accomplish and achieve unimaginable pursuits. It's time to leave that monastery. The infinity sign keeps glowing and hovering And feel as you leave the monastery, you can witness a giant snowball continuing to roll down the mountain, giving you evidence that one small thing can build sufficient momentum to create powerful, ongoing change. And then imagine returning to the present, feeling infinitely powerful, infinitely enthusiastic, and infinitely inspired. As you take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose, wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes, connect fully in the present moment as I now count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. You will awaken feeling resourceful, optimistic, that you have unlocked your infinite potential, starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.